What's up, everybody? Man Cave Dave here in Michigan with a pickups video. This is part 2 of the epic newer Star Wars pickup that I had a chance to grab on a work trip. I know that the person who I bought this from is watching, so Sonia, thank you again for letting me buy and trade this stuff from you. So, Sonia collected all kinds of stuff from the 90s, and just quite the collection. I wouldn't be surprised if this has pretty much every single Power of the Force 2, Shadows of the Empire, and more. And there were 13 bins total. So here we go. We've got this really cool Snap-on model kit, new, sealed. This Transformer. I'm gonna give my buddy Aaron a hard time, poor guy. Aaron is super careful with toys. He's even more careful than I am. And he picked this up and was looking at it, and the leg broke off. Those of you who collect toys know that the red and the gold plastic really gets brittle as it gets old. So, Aaron, if you're watching, hey man, no worries. I got to give you a hard time about it, but I'm glad that it broke here, because whoever would touch this next, it would have broken for them. So we got some really cool stuff here in the box. All of this is new and sealed. And just the hard part for me is deciding what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to get rid of, because I want to keep it all. The Shadows of the Empire Slave 1 here is open, but new in box. And the TIE Fighter is also, it's been opened and taken out. It's a really cool toy. We got the Millennium Falcon, the electronic Naboo fighter. There's actually 2 of these sealed, and then one that's open. The one that's open, I think, was in the last video. I'm going to keep that and put it up in my man cave. We've got the Bantha with the Tusken Raider. Really cool AT-ST and speeder bike. These Shadows of the Empire toys are really neat. I like them. More Episode 1, Land Speeder. The Federation tank is also really cool. And speeder bikes, and the Power of the Force X-Wing, which that is also super neat. We do have some vintage figures. Well, here are some open ones from the 90s. But then we have some vintage figures, some Ewoks, some others. No accessories, all of them are pretty loose, or are loose with no accessories, except we have the C-3PO bag for Chewie there. And then the Power of the Force 2 figures, which are just, I know they're not worth a lot, but they're just so neat. It always cracks me up just how buff they make everybody look. I'm a big fan of Darth Vader. Probably gonna hang on to those ones. Darth Vader looks like he's been hitting the gym here. And so we got C-3PO, R2-D2. These dual packs are pretty neat. Princess Leia and Han with R2-D2 and Wicket. And then more of the Shadows of the Empire figures, which are just pretty cool to see here. Got some doubles, and actually 3 of the Boba Fett and IG-88, which is neat. They also come with a comic book there. So not super valuable. These are probably about $10 a piece-ish. These others range, generally speaking, a couple bucks, maybe $5 a piece. But just super fun, and definitely ones that are fun to find and open and enjoy if you want to open up something and play with it. So anyway, from here in Michigan, this is Man Cave Dave, and boy, we have just scratched the surface in this. We'll see you at the next video.